Hello and welcome to our video on the top 4 pool tables of 2024. Whether you're setting up a game room or looking to upgrade your current setup, we've got some fantastic options for you to consider. If you find a table that fits your needs, you'll find purchase links in the video description below. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means that we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps us keep making more free content like this, so if you do decide to use those links, a big thanks to you in advance for your support. Now, let's dive into our first pool table. First up is the GoSports 7-foot billiard table. This mid-sized table comes complete with 15 regulation balls, a cue ball, ball rack, 2 57-inch cue sticks, 2 pieces of chalk, and a felt brush. Everything that you need to get started. This pool table will become a centerpiece for fun, competitive games with the family and friends. While it's not a slate table, it impresses with its levelness and sturdiness for an MDF construction, offering a great value without the cost and hassle of heavier tables. Now, taking a look at the accessories. So the cues and brush that come with the table might need replacing for serious players. The balls and rack are standard and function well, while the included chalk does a job, and upgrading to quality accessories like a variety of cue weights and a full table brush can enhance your playing experience. Remember to purchase head and foot spots separately for a complete setup. As for sturdiness and leveling, weighing 170 pounds, the table is solid and barely moves even when tested. It arrived remarkably level, a testament to both the product's build and a well-prepared installation space. Maintaining a dehumidified environment might help in preserving its condition over time. As for the playability, the table performs well, mimicking the feel of typical bar tables. The felt and rails behave as expected, with the felt improving with use and maintenance. While it allows for most shots, jump and mass shots are discouraged to prevent damage. This table has turned out to be a delightful starter kit for casual and serious players alike, exceeding expectations and providing endless entertainment. The GoSports billiard table is an excellent choice for those looking to enjoy the game without committing to a high-end table. It's proven to be a fun and reliable addition to any game room with potential plans to upgrade as interest and skills develop. Next up, we have the American Legend 90-inch Kirkwood billiard table. The American Legend 90-inch Kirkwood billiard table emerges as a substantial option for those wanting a full-size experience without venturing into the high-end slate table market. Its 90-inch length offers the feel of playing in a billiards club right from the comfort of your living room. As for the design and build, the table features a modern, possibly rustic design with a sleek gray and black color scheme that aligns perfectly with the aesthetics of a typical man cave. Despite its more budget-friendly price, it boasts a sturdy construction that you will find satisfactory. However, the rails might feel a bit stiff, which could be a minor issue depending on personal preference. The table is heavy, and while assembly is straightforward, mostly involving attaching the legs, transporting it to an upstairs game room or similar location might prove challenging. We recommend opting for the delivery service that includes moving the table inside or upstairs to avoid any potential injuries or difficulties. While the table's surface is not as perfectly flat as a slate option, it generally does not show bowing or dips, making it a solid playing surface for casual to intermediate players. The felt quality, however, has been noted to affect play with some balls veering off path on slow rolls. This might be an aspect to consider upgrading for those looking for a more consistent play experience. On to the accessories. The included sticks and triangle are of a bit lower quality, suitable perhaps for children or very casual play. Investing in some higher quality cues and accessories like a proper brush and black chalk is advisable to enhance the overall experience. The Kirkwood billiard table from American Legend is a commendable choice for anyone looking to integrate a full-size pool table into their home without breaking the bank. It's well suited for family rooms, man caves, or any indoor space where people gather to play and enjoy some casual games. Next, we have the Hathaway Fairmont portable 6-foot pool table. The Hathaway Fairmont portable 6-foot pool table is recognized for its convenience and family-friendly design. Priced at $434.34, it's tailored for those seeking both functionality and ease of storage in a pool table. As for portability and setup, one of the standout features of the Hathaway Fairmont is its easy to transport design, complete with durable steel legs that fold for transportation and storage. The included nylon carry bag is rip resistant, ensuring that the table remains secure and protected on the move. This table is especially favored for its no assembly required setup, as it comes fully assembled and ready to play right out of the box. The table's compact 6-foot frame makes it an ideal choice for kids and adults alike, fitting neatly into smaller game rooms and spaces. Its dimensions, 76 inches length, 43 33.25 inches width and 32-inch height, and the playing surface of 66-inch length with 33-inch width provide ample space for enjoyable gameplay without overtaking the room. The modern design and red color scheme add a vibrant touch to any setting. As for the accessories included, the Fairmont comes equipped with a complete set of 2.25-inch standard billiard balls, two 48-inch two-piece pool cues, 2 pieces of chalk, a table brush, and a racking triangle. These accessories ensure that you can start playing as soon as the table is set up. Durability and warranty. Despite its portability, the table does not compromise on quality. The construction includes a metal base and alloy steel frame, providing stability and durability. Hathaway backs this model with a 180-day manufacturer warranty, promising a damage-free arrival with the necessary parts and accessories, or they will send replacements at no cost. Whether for casual play or as a practical way to introduce younger players to the game, the Hathaway Fairmont Portable 6-foot pool table stands out as an excellent choice, combining affordability, portability, and quality in one neat package. Lastly, we have the Mizerak Dynasty Space Saver 6.5-foot billiards table. The Mizerak Dynasty Space Saver 6.5-foot billiard table combines practical design with solid functionality for those with limited space. It's a popular choice among casual players and families looking for an at-home entertainment solution that doesn't dominate a room. It's compact and convenient. This table is specifically designed for small spaces, measuring only 6.5 feet long. Its compact size makes it ideal for game rooms, apartments, or basements where space is limited. Despite its smaller dimensions, it offers a full feature play experience with professional touches like leg levelers for a perfectly even playing surface and an automatic ball return system for convenience. Constructed with durability in mind, the Mizerak Dynasty features a double-sealed MDF play bed that ensures consistent roll and longevity. The classic green nylon cloth covers the play bed, giving it a traditional billiard feel, while the bamboo laminate finish of the body adds a touch of elegance to any room decor. Now, the table comes equipped with rubber cushions for excellent rebound, enhancing the overall gameplay. The automatic ball return system adds a professional touch, making game reset easy and efficient. And these features combined with the adjustable leg levers make it a practical choice for uneven surfaces or multiple playing areas. One of the most appealing aspects of the Mizerak Dynasty is its ease of assembly. You should be able to set up the table quickly with minimal effort. It comes complete with all the necessary accessories, including 2 cues, a set of billiard balls, a triangle, chalk, and a table brush, allowing players to get started immediately after setup. So there you have it, the top 4 pool tables of 2024. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top pool tables of 2024. And if you are interested in purchasing any of the tables that we discussed today, don't forget to check out the links down in the description. Remember, these are affiliate links and using them helps support our channel at no extra cost to you. We appreciate your support immensely. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. We've got plenty more content coming on the way, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.